to Biomania. Today's topic is formation of embryo sac. This topic I have taken from 12th class biology NCERT chapter 2 sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So without further ado, let's begin. As you all know, 4 megaspores are formed by the process of megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis we have seen in the last video. So here we will do a quick revision of what is megasporogenesis. Okay. So megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis. What happened in megasporogenesis? Megaspore mother cell, it undergoes meiotic cell division. Okay. Due to this meiotic cell division, megaspores are formed. Out of these 4 megaspores, 3 degenerate. Okay. And only 1 megaspore is left, which develop into female gametophyte or embryo sac. Female gametophyte or embryo sac. Okay. So megasporogenesis is a process in which the megaspore mother cell undergo meiotic cell division, giving rise to megaspore or female gametophyte. Since out of the 4 megaspores, only 1 megaspore developed into female gametophyte, this development is called as monospermic. This is monosporic development. Monosporic development. What is monosporic development? Monospermic development is the process in which only 1 megaspore developed into female gametophyte or embryo sac. Hope you would have understood what is monosporic development. It is a development in which only 1 megaspore developed into female gametophyte or embryo sac. Okay, I hope you would have understood. So shall we go further? Okay, I hope it is also very clear. If you have got any problem, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so let's go further. So now let's see the formation of embryo sacs in detail. Okay, we have seen that there is only 1 functional megaspore left out of the 4 megaspore. Now these functional megaspores undergo mitotic cell division. There is a sequential mitotic cell division giving rise to a mature embryo sacs. So now let's see what are the sequential mitotic division happening inside the embryo sac. First, the functional megaspore has only 1. The functional, this is functional megaspore. Okay, has only one nucleus. Now this functional megaspore is undergoing mitotic division, and it is giving rise to two nuclear or two nucleated embryo sac. It is giving rise to this is two nucleated embryo sac, or you can call as megaspore. Okay. Now again this two nucleated embryo sac undergo mitotic division. It is undergoing mitotic division to give rise to embryo sac having four nucleus. Now there is four nucleus are there. Okay. So one mitotic division giving rise to two nucleus. Again there is a mitotic division and two nucleus give rise to four nucleus. So this one is four nucleated embryo sac. Okay. Now this four nucleated embryo sac again undergo mitotic cell. The four nucleated embryo sac undergo mitotic division and give rise to eight nucleated embryo sac. So this one is 8 nucleated embryo sac. Okay. This is mitotic division. So 4 nucleated embryo sac undergo again mitotic division to give 8 nucleated embryo sac. Here one thing is to be noted, that immediately after the nuclear division there is no formation of cell wall. Cell wall is formed only after the 8 nucleated stage. Okay, in the 2 nucleated stage, in the 4 nucleated stage there is no formation of cell wall, or we can say that the nuclear division is not followed by the cell wall formation. Okay, so now we will see what happened at the 8 nucleated embryo sac stage. Okay, the cell wall is formed only after the 8 nucleated stage. Okay, so we will see now that how the cell wall is formed in between the 8 nucleated embryo sac and how this 8 nucleus is distributed in the embryo sac. Okay, so we will see the distribution of nucleus inside the embryo sac. Now we know that there are 8 nuclei inside the embryo sac. Okay, out of the 8, only 6 nuclei are surrounded by cell wall, and 2 nuclei are without cell wall, and these 2 nuclei are called as polar nuclei. Okay, and these polar nuclei are found just below the egg apparatus in the center of the embryo cell. So out of the 8 nuclei, only 6 nuclei are surrounded by the cell wall and 2 are without cell wall, and they are called as polar nuclei.